Hello everyone, today in front of me I have Blackview BV6600E smartphone, and let me show how you can enable the separate number row at the keyboard of this device. If we'll open up the keyboard now, we'll see that there is no separate number line that should be located on top of the characters. So in order for us to be able to activate it, we gotta go to the keyboard settings, either by tapping on this gear icon or opening the settings application. Here you gotta look for the system category of it. At the system category, go ahead and choose languages and input. Here go for the on-screen keyboard. Choose the keyboard that is currently activated. In my case, and by default, it is always going to be the Gboard. So here we are at the Gboard settings page. Next, you gotta tap on preferences, and all that it's left to do is to turn on this number row switch. And as you will see now, we have successfully enabled the separate number row. Alrighty, so that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to leave the thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye!